If you're sending your son or daughter to college in Boston, buying them a condo might actually be the easy part. The harder question is, who do they call when something goes wrong? If the heat stops in January, or there's a leaky pipe, or the washing machine quit, who are they going to call and trust? Do you really want them spending finals week trying to find a plumber or figure out how to relight a boiler? That's where we come in. We are a full-service real estate and property management company serving Greater Boston and MetroWest. We help families every step of the way, from finding the right property near your child's university, negotiating the purchase, managing the property while they're in school, and helping you set up an exit strategy, if you so choose, after they graduate. For more than 30 years, we've been helping clients who live nearby, across the country, and around the world, including families from Washington, D.C., Greece, and South Korea. Your child gets a great place to live, and you get the confidence knowing there's a trusted local team looking after both your investment and your student. If you're thinking about buying a college condo in Boston, we'd be happy to answer any questions. Give us a call. We're here to help.